Hi, I'm Jaswanth from Kanuru N120 campus of Vijayawada, and I secured a rank of 188 in my NEET exam. I feel very happy, and I'm grateful to my parents, and they also felt happy. Actually, I'm in a journey during the declaration of the result, and I got tensed for some time, and after that when I got to know the result, I felt very happy. I used to revise the topics that I felt to be hard during my initial preparation and tried to be confident during the final days. I took small breaks for every 1 or 1.5 hours, and which made me to lower my stress. Like any NEET aspirant, I felt physics was the most challenging part, and the questions in physics were very innovative and needs time to be solved. So that was the most challenging part. The schedules and the exams and the questions given in the exams and the error list given after exams are made my preparation good and help me to achieve this. The test series which are made believe that you can get a rank in NEET exam. I would say to my juniors that be confident and follow the micro schedules and prepare well for your NEET exam by solving the study material. Thank you, Narayana.